Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to share threads on Instagram. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, let's open our Threads application. Then find a post which you want to share. You can share other people's posts. You can also share the threads which you post in the app. I'm going to go to my Threads profile and I want to share this thread which I've posted. So, in order to share it to Instagram, I have to click on this little paper airplane icon here, and then this menu will pop up. I have a couple of different options for sharing, like the Instagram story, or I can share it as an Instagram post. I'll share this as a story first, so I'll click on the Add to Story button. This is going to share my thread on the Instagram stories. Now you'll see that the app adds this cool black and white background with the threads text on it. You can now edit this, add stickers, or whatever you want on your story. That's how you can share threads as stories, but let's go back to our app, and you can also share a post that you like from the home feed as well. If you find a post from another person which you like, and if you want to share it on Instagram, then click on the little paper airplane icon one more time, and we can click on the second option, which is Post to Feed. Now it's going to open our Instagram editor, and we can share this thread as an Instagram post. We can add the description to our post, we can add tags and other stuff that you want when sharing this as a post. That's how you can share the threads directly in the Instagram app, so your followers can see what you post or what you like in the Threads app. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.